Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious eggs in a basket. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need your favorite bread, some fresh eggs, and a little butter. Don't forget a round cookie cutter, about 3 inches in diameter, to create the perfect opening in your bread. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the bread. Take your bread slices and use a 3-inch round cookie cutter to punch a hole in the center of each. You can save those little bread circles to toast alongside your eggs. They're great for dipping. Next, place a non-stick pan over medium heat and add about 1 tablespoon of butter, letting it melt evenly. With your pan ready, carefully place the bread slices, with their holes, into the melted butter. Immediately crack 1 egg directly into the center of each bread hole. Let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know they are ready for the next step when the egg whites are mostly set and no longer translucent, but the yolk is still soft. Now for the final touch. Gently flip each bread and egg combination to cook the other side. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes if you prefer a runny yolk, or a bit longer for a firmer one. Once cooked to your liking, remove them from the pan. Season with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper, then serve your delicious eggs in a basket immediately. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.